Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm EJ Beauty, and if you are new here, welcome. I always say to stay subscribed to my channel because I always make sure to give you guys some great content. And in today's video, I am bringing to you a NYX soft matte lip combo video on dark skin. Of course, you can use these lip combos on any skin shade, but I'm saying dark skin specifically only because I'm dark skin. And I will be trying on these lip combos for you guys. Today's video, I have my 5 NYX soft matte lip creams in this cute little lip envelope. As you can see here, this is so cute. I have 5 of them that I want to show you guys. As I mentioned, these are all soft matte lip creams, so of course it's not going to be glossy. I have a glossy lip on right now. This is NYX Angel Food, but these are all matte. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. I am going to be using my lip liner right here, which is by MAC, and this is the Chestnut. I also got a lot of requests to do a lip liner review, so stay tuned. I will be releasing a lip liner. Okay, I can't talk. I will be releasing a lip liner. Stay tuned and make sure to stay subscribed on my channel. I will be releasing a lip liner haul / review for you guys in the next coming days. So I'm just gonna go in with my MAC Chestnut lip liner right here. You also want to make sure that you don't overline your lips because that can easily take away from the lip look that you're trying to create. So this is how my lips currently look with the lip liner, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply one of my soft matte lip creams. The first one I'm gonna try on is this one right here. This is Abu Dhabi. So we're just gonna start off by placing like a really thin layer. I don't want to apply too much only because these lip creams are known for being very pigmented. All right, y'all. So just gonna add a little bit more. Okay, so this is the first soft matte lip cream look. This was Abu Dhabi, guys. I am going to come a little bit closer so you can see a close-up look of how this looks. The next one I'm going to try on is called Dubai. This is Dubai. Again, I'm just gonna do the same thing of applying a thin layer to my lower lip first. Okay, so this looks like it's gonna be just a nude. It's a really nude brown color. Okay, y'all, this is Dubai. I am actually in love. I didn't realize that this is actually my nude. I didn't see that coming at all, but I love this. This looks so good, and this looks so professional. I really feel like I'm looking really, hey, chef's kiss. I love this. Okay, so this is a closer up look of how Dubai looks. So the next lip cream I'm going to try on is Toulouse. This is how it looks. So this one appears to be very pigmented, as you can see. I don't really need to apply too much of this. This is very pigmented, so I won't put on more. But this is Toulouse, guys. I am in love with this one. I think I'm in love with all of them, but this one in particular looks really good. This is Toulouse. Let me give you a closer up look. The next lip cream I'm going to try on for you guys is called London. So I noticed that all the lip creams have city names, and they have like big city names, so you already know what to expect, okay? They are going to look really bomb. So again, put it on my lower lip. Okay, so this actually is also like another, like, I want to say kind of nude, but not really, but it seems a little bit nude, but it's a lighter nude. So the other one I showed you guys earlier, the Dubai, was like a darker nude. This is also a nude, but it's like more my skin tone actually, and I really like that. But it's a closer up look. Okay, so the last one I want to try on for you guys is called Lyon, and I'm guessing Lyon is somewhere in France. Don't judge me, I don't know. Okay, but this is how it looks. Okay, so this is more of a burnt orange shade. Okay, so good. I saved this one for the end because I think this is my least favorite one. I don't really like this one too much. I don't really think burnt orange looks good on me. Let me start by saying that. I think that's why burnt orange is not really my shade. But overall, I think all the lip creams look good in general. I'm really happy with my purchase, and honestly I think it's really also the lip liner that I used. I honestly swear by MAC Chestnut. Okay, if you don't have MAC Chestnut and you are my shade, make sure you get your hands on MAC Chestnut. Literally, this is the best lip liner out there, and you can use it for both lip creams and matte lip creams like this one, and you can also use it for lip glosses as well. So again, this is a closer up look. Okay, y'all, so that brings me to the end of my soft matte lip cream video for NYX. I really hope that you guys like this video. I also made a NYX butter gloss lip combo video for dark skin as well, so make sure to check that one out. I will put the link to that one in my description box. I will put the links to all of these lip creams in my description box as well. Make sure to stay subscribed to my channel. I give you guys all this content for free, so make sure to stay subscribed, and also let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. As always, I love to see you guys here on my channel. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.